Now the time has come to write the next great chapter in the history of our armed forces, to prepare for the next battlefield, where America's best and bravest will be called to deter and defeat a new generation of threats to our people, to our nation. The time has come to establish the United States Space Force.
Well, critics, however, have hit back at the announcement, saying that it is expensive and unnecessary. NBC's Kelly O'Donnell has a story.
Good morning. From a big idea to the wish list, and now it's Trump administration policy. President Trump wants to launch a new branch of the American military, adding what he calls the Space Force. It's controversial, and there are big questions about how quickly this could happen. But Vice President Mike Pence delivered a speech Thursday where he outlined some of the plans and put an ambitious goal, a Space Force by 2020. That also happens to be the year of the next presidential election. President Trump has said that the U.S. military needs to be the biggest and strongest, and it should consider going beyond the atmosphere to bolster U.S. defenses, things like satellites and capabilities that could protect the U.S. and friends as well. All of this new technology is something that is advancing quickly, and President Trump argues it needs to be its own separate branch of the U.S. military. Others say adding to the bureaucracy isn't smart, and the price tag is certainly eye-popping. $8 billion over 5 years. Still, the Pentagon has put together its initial plans for how this would work, and it would add to those other branches that we know so well: Army, Navy, Coast Guard, Air Force, Marines. And now Space Force is on the minds of the Trump administration, with the president looking skyward. I'm Kelly O'Donnell, NBC News, traveling with the president in New Jersey for Euronews.